Yeah, I'm gonna say this in Finnish and English. First, English. So, a crazy story time. I'm with my friend. So, like, we were in school, and then at the exact same time, there was a fire going on, and then the fire, like, just exploded everywhere, and then almost got into our school, and then, like, wait. Olivia! Alright, sorry, so like, so the fire happened, like, yeah, it happened because of the cars, and then exploded to my one friend and my ex-friend, who, like, they were low-key nice to me, except one. They had to move, one of them had to move so like far, and then the other one had to move close, my ex-friend. Like, no, she doesn't even have any friends. Like, hello? Yeah, I'm low-key so mad. But yeah, guess what? The fire started spraying, and there was still gas, and like, so there were people who were checking it. Hello? Like, bro, that was so scary. But yeah, now I'm finished. Okay, eli me oltiin silleen niinku, mä ja mun kaveri oltiin silleen ulkona. Sitten heti kun me oltiin koulussa, niin yksi auto syttyi palamaan, sitten toinen palamaan, ja sitten vielä toinen. Sitten kaikki autot. Sitten yhtäkkiä tossa oli niinku semmonen joku hitsi Banzai tai joku semmonen, niinku se oli joku pommi, niin se silleen puksahti ja meni toiseen taloihin. Sitten meni mun yksi hyvä kaveri ja paha kaveri. Toi paha kaveri piti muuttaa just tän meidän lähelle. Ja sitten se toinen piti muuttaa kaukana eri kaupungille. Eli jotain 3 tuntia tai niin monta yötä. Haloo! Niinku, oh my god. Mut juu, kaikki on nyt ehkä ok. Mut tuolla oli vielä bensiin tai joku semmonen. Mut juu, toivottavasti Suomi on kohta ok. Moikka!